Welcome to AI World for You. In today's lecture, we are going to see about the basics of AI and what exactly is this all AI hustle about. So we know that the technology is advancing and each and everyone wants to know and is so curious about what exactly artificial intelligence is. So in this lecture series of AI, I'm going to help you out with what exactly AI is, right from the basics to the advanced tools that we can use for our daily lives. So let us quickly get into the video. To begin with, first let us try to understand what is AI. So artificial intelligence, the term artificial intelligence, if we can break it into two, artificial and intelligence. If we can break it into two, we can understand the meaning of it clearly. So I am going to break it into two and tell you what exactly AI means. So this AI, which is artificial and intelligence, it means artificial is something which is not natural. We know that. Artificial means it is man-made. It is not a real one. So artificial refers to man-made. And coming to intelligence, when do we call a person as an intelligent person? If he is able to think well and act and take the right decisions in the right time. So it is related to the thinking power and the thinking ability of a person. Am I right? So thinking power is nothing but your intelligence. So we can break the word AI into two. That is, coming to the artificial, it means it is not natural. It is something which is man-made. And intelligence refers to the thinking ability or the thinking power. So together, when we combine these words, we understand that artificial intelligence means that it's man-made thinking power. So we are trying to create this intelligence through machines. We are instilling this intelligence in the machines. We want the machines to act intelligently and do some tasks for us. So artificial intelligence is a coined term which is leading in the world right now. It is one of the leading technologies in the world. Why? Because each and every one of us wants to automate our tasks. We want to simplify our tasks. Whatever tasks we have, we want to make them simpler. We want to save time. So be it a simple lecture or be it a simple video, we would like to make it short, right? So this is the mindset we have because time is precious. So AI is helping us to do a lot of tasks by using its intelligence. So how does it do that? Let us see about it. As per the definition given by Russell and Norvig, as per the definition given by them, we can break this definition into four major categories. AI can think like a human, it can act like a human, it can think rationally and act rationally. So when we say we want our machine to think like a human, what do we mean? So if we are given a problem in a specific situation, how will we approach that problem? It relates to our psychological mindset. So it relates to the domain psychology as well as our cognitive modeling. We call it the thinking ability based on the patterns which we have observed previously from our surrounding. So humans have the ability to think based on their experience. The same way we are going to train our machine to think like a human and take decisions which a human would do if that kind of a situation is given. Are you able to understand? So think like a human means the AI algorithm can think like a human and give the solution which a human would in that particular situation. So if we want AI to generate a content for us, we are using ChatGPT these days and we are asking it to generate a specific content for us. So in that situation, if we are there, what kind of content would we prepare? We will first go with the side headings. We will try to build on those side headings and we will go into the depth later on. First, we will give a general introduction on what that topic is, right? So the same way ChatGPT model, one of the LLM models, it is able to think like a human and generate the content for us. So we can take that as an example. So a machine which can act and imitate a human, like if it can observe our facial expressions and if it can teach. For example, now at this moment, I am teaching you right here. I am trying to explain the basic definition of AI. Suppose there is a humanoid robot here and it is trying to imitate my actions. It will observe my facial expressions and try to observe the way I am rendering the class. So it will try to do the same thing. That is already there. So some AI algorithms will try to imitate humans. They will not only think like human, but they will also act like a human. So coming to the next one, which is think rationally. So this rationally, whenever we hear this term, what can you understand from the term rational? If you are a rational thinker, what does it mean? It means that you go by rules and you go by logic. So whatever situation you are in, you will think rationally, means you will go by the books. You will follow the rules and you will go with the logic and try to solve the problem. So for this, you can take the example of playing chess. If you are playing chess with a computer, it will try to win the game by the rules. It knows that the queen can move either with the same colored square diagonally or it can move straight. And same way it knows that the king can only move one step, either left side, right side, forward or behind. So it knows all those rules. It will go with the rules and it will try to defeat the opponent. So that can be taken as an example for think rationally. That is, we don't have any emotions involved. We are going only with the logic and we are trying to think logically to arrive at a specific solution. Coming to the next one, which is act rationally. So there are some intelligent AI algorithms which will not only think rationally, that is not only think logically, but they will act logically. You can take the example of self-driving cars. There, the entire coordinates are given as data and the speed, adjustment, the brakes, everything is automated. By observing the environment, the self-driving car is able to take a decision just like how a human will do, but it will go by logic. If there is a car in front of it, that is, if there is any obstacle coming, it will slow down. So these kind of actions are automated and it is not only thinking rationally, but it is also acting rationally. Do subscribe for more updates, and in the next lecture, let us go more into AI and delve into it. Thank you.